Today's topic is all about discovering the magical world of DIY hacks that will help you save both money and time and transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Number 1. Unleash your inner chef with DIY kitchen hacks. EEAUIY cleaning solutions. Say goodbye to expensive and harmful cleaning products. You can create your own cleaning solutions using simple and inexpensive ingredients. For example, mix equal parts water and vinegar to make an all-purpose cleaner. Add a few drops of essential oils like lemon or lavender to give it a pleasant scent. Use this solution to clean countertops, stovetops, and even floors. Another great DIY cleaning solution is baking soda and water paste. This paste is perfect for scrubbing stubborn stains off pots and pans or for cleaning your oven. Repurposing jars and containers. Don't throw away those old jars and containers. They can be repurposed in so many ways. Use them for storing dry ingredients like beans, rice, or pasta. You can also use them to store leftovers or to bring your lunch to work. Simply wash them out and remove any labels. Then, add a label of your own or decorate them with paint or sticker. Cooking hacks. Cooking can be time-consuming and expensive, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few cooking hacks that will save you time and money. Use a slow cooker. This handy appliance allows you to prepare meals ahead of time and cook them slowly, so you can come home to a delicious meal. Plus, it uses less energy than a traditional oven or stove. Make your own spice blends. Instead of buying expensive pre-made spice blends, make your own. Simply mix together your favorite spices like cumin, paprika, or chili powder and store them in a jar. You'll save money and have a custom blend that suits your taste. Freeze leftovers. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Freeze them in small portions and use them for future meals. You can also freeze herbs like parsley or basil, so they stay fresh and are always on hand. Number 2. DIY hacks for the home. Fixing common household problems. Are you tired of calling a plumber every time your drain gets clogged? You hate the sound of squeaky doors? With some basic tools and a little know-how, you can fix these problems yourself. For example, to unclog a drain, try pouring a mixture of baking soda and vinegar down the drain, followed by hot water. This will break down any buildup and get things flowing again. For squeaky doors, try spraying some 40 on the hinges or using a small amount of petroleum jelly. Creating your own decor and furniture. Why spend a fortune on expensive decor and furniture when you can make your own? There are so many DIY hacks that can transform old, tired pieces of furniture or create new ones from scratch. For example, you can turn an old dresser into a stylish TV stand or create a statement piece of wall art using a large canvas and some paint. If you're feeling ambitious, you can even build your own furniture using basic tools and materials. There are plenty of tutorials online that can guide you through the process. Maintaining appliances. Your appliances are some of the most important and expensive investments in your home. To keep them running smoothly and extend their lifespan, you need to maintain them regularly. For example, clean your refrigerator coils once a year to keep them from getting clogged with dust and dirt. This will help your fridge run more efficiently and save you money on energy bills. You can also clean your dishwasher by running a cycle with a cup of vinegar and hot water. This will remove any buildup and keep your dishwasher smelling fresh. Number 3. DIY hacks for personal care. EUIY skincare. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, and it deserves to be treated with care. Instead of buying expensive skincare products, you can create your own using natural ingredients. For example, mix some honey and sugar to make a natural exfoliant perfect for removing dead skin cells and revealing a radiant complexion. You can also create your own face masks using ingredients like avocado, oatmeal, and yogurt. These ingredients are packed with nutrients that nourish and rejuvenate your skin. EDAEDI hair care. Healthy, shiny hair is something we all desire, but it can be hard to achieve with the harsh chemicals in many commercial hair products. Thankfully, you can create your own hair care products using natural ingredients. For example, mix some apple cider vinegar with water to create a natural hair rinse that removes buildup and leaves your hair shiny and soft. You can also create your own hair mask using ingredients like coconut oil, honey, and egg yolk. These ingredients nourish and strengthen your hair, leaving it looking and feeling healthy. EIIUI Body Care. From body scrubs to bath bombs, there are so many ways to elevate your self-care routine with DIY body care products. For example, mix some coconut oil and sugar to make a natural body scrub that exfoliates and moisturizes your skin. You can also create your own bath bombs using baking soda, citric acid, and essential oils. These bath bombs are a great way to relax and unwind after a long day. Subscribe now to join us tomorrow for day 14 of our 30-day savings challenge, where we'll be exploring the power of no-spend days. How they can transform your finances. Will provide you with even more unique and creative tips to help you achieve your financial goals. See you then.